All right, boys and girls. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart using Google Sheets. What I did is on slide 23 on the blue printer, it gave you all the stuff that you needed to enter to get ready. So I just entered exactly what it said from the worksheet so I could be ready to make my pie chart. I did call my title Pizza Toppings. Make sure that you share this with me so that I can see it and give you credit for it. With that being said, it's time to make the pie chart. Usually what I do is I try to get away from my data so that the pie chart doesn't cover the data while I'm working on it. You can always move your pie chart on the spreadsheet when you're finished. And I'll show you how to do that when we're done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and insert, and I'm going to insert a chart. And my Google Sheet always defaults to a column chart. I don't want a column chart. It said to use a pie chart. So I just click on this and then I'm going to scroll down to pie chart. And here's my three different types of pie charts. You have a regular pie chart, a donut chart with a hole in the middle, or you can use a 3D pie chart. I like the 3D version. I'm going to use it. You can use whichever one you want. So I'm going to click on that. And then it's asking me what my values are. Well, my values are my numbers. So if I look over here, my values start on column B, row 3, and it goes all the way down to B7. So it's B3 through B7. So for my values, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to type in B3, and then I'm going to use my colon key, which is next to the L key, but you have to hold in the shift so that you get the 2 dot one, not the one with the semicolon with the dot and the comma. And then I'm going to type in B7, and that's going to give me all my numbers. And I'm going to hit OK. And it put in B3 through B7. Now I know it's showing percentages instead of numbers, but I'm going to show you here in a minute how to get those numbers onto your pie chart. And then to add the label, label is the labels of the pizza. I want to use A3 through A7. So I'm going to add a label and I'm going to type in A3 colon, which is shift next to the L key, A7, enter. I'm just going to add this to my data range. I click this, A3 to A7. All right, there it is. What that did is it added it up here. I don't need my F7 on there. Oops, close this. If there's ever close that, you can go and click on this and hit your 3 dots and go back to edit chart and you get back where you were. All right, so I wanted to show you how to add those numbers because it gave you the percentages. So we're going to go over to customize and we're going to go to the pie slice. I can't remember. I always forget where it is. Maybe it's pie chart. Oh, there it is. Under pie chart where it says slice label, we want to use the label. So I'm going to click on it. Oh, I don't want label. I want the number. I want value. Sorry. There we go. So I changed the under on chart style. I use under customize chart style, the slice label. I want the value. So you can see what the value is, the name of it, and then what percentage it is. Now, if you scroll, when we're still on customize, you can change other things and play around with it if you want. Personally, I'm done. This has everything I want except for my title of my pie chart. And I can't remember. I got to find where it is on customize. Maybe it's down at the bottom under legend. Let me look. No. Oh, chart title. I didn't see title right here. Duh. There we go. Chart title. So I'm going to call this Pizza Topping Survey Results. There we go. And it put it on there. Again, if you ever click on, if you look at this and you want it changed, you can always click on your chart and go to your three dots and go back to your edit chart, and it will pull that up for you. Uh, Earlier, I said if you don't like where this is, you can click on it, hold down your mouse or your bar at the bottom of your Google Chromebook, and you can move your pie chart wherever you want. I'm just going to put it about right here. That's good enough for me. So anyway, that's how you make it. Once you get to this step, make sure you share your Google Sheet with me so that I can put it in the gradebook for you.